welcome back to my channel, Joy's Joyful World. Okay guys, so today I am just gonna show you what I got for my September IPSY bag. So here you go. Yeah, so look at this bag. So it looks like match with my shirt. And the bag it's kind of maroon color, cute, and it's what's this? Cotton.
Is it cotton?
Cloth. Alright, so let's start with this one. This one is Endless Silky Eye Pen. It's gonna look like a metallic color, but I'm gonna open it and let's see what it looks like. I think I like the color. I'm gonna put that on my top of my eye. Yeah, sometimes maybe. And let's move on to the second one. Alright, so here you go. We have here It Cosmetic. It color correcting. It's color correcting. And this is SPF 50+. Have a sunscreen on it. So let me just open it. And let me just put a little bit on my hand. Okay, so it's kind of a light color. That's good. I'll try this too. And let's move on to the third one. And this is getting quicker and quicker. Okay, so here you go, the third one. I think this is another eyeshadow. So this one is from P/Y/T. It's really cute. Day to Night Cool. And this eyeshadow palette. And let me just open it and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here you go. I like the color. Okay, here you go. You cannot really see it, but I like the color. They give me instruction how to use it because I don't know how to use eyeshadow. I just like, whatever, put it in there, you know. Good instruction. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the, oh my god. To the fourth one. Oh my god, fourth already, huh? So this one is tinted lips. This looks like I'm gonna like the color, not that really red or dark. So I'm just gonna try it on, you know, because I wanna see it looks like on me. Alright, so let me just try this and show you guys what it looks like on my skin, on my lips. I have a little lipstick on, but I think it looks like the same color, but this one is more a little, you know, a little darker. Ooh, I like this one. I like this color. What is this? This one is Clearly Brilliant. Oh, you're clearly brilliant. You are clearly brilliant. Wow, I say it right. What do you think, guys? I'll give this 10 points. Okay, so shall we move to the fifth one? Okay, so this is gonna be the fifth one. It's normally they send you 5 pieces. This one is the Professional. So this one is primer, and then it said hydrate primer, hydrate face primer to minimize the look of the pores. Yeah, so look at this. This one is so tiny. So tiny. But if you like this primer, you know, if you use it and you like it, you can just go to IPSY website and then you can buy the big, like, you know, big size of this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the additional one. So additional one that I get from IPSY. So I go to the website and I found this Bro Chow. Okay, so this one is Bro Chow. This one is bro. This is my eyebrow. So this one is eyebrow pencil and also have a brush on, like that, you know, because I need to achieve my eyebrow. Eyebrow is life, you know. Yeah, so kilay is life, so I just need to practice to use this and how to use it, you know what I mean. Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you like this video, and then I hope you guys like IPSY. If you like it, you can just go to the link. I'm gonna put it down the description. If you guys wanna subscribe to them, it's $12 per month, and they also have different kind of boxes that you can get every month. So don't forget to like my YouTube. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.